Hey guys, how you doing? It's Kevtech here bringing another video on information technology. I hope you're having a good day. Happy Sunday. And today I want to go over jobs, like jobs for help desk IT support. Just going over jobs in general and just to look at jobs and see what they're asking for and then tell you what they mean, what they're asking for, things like that. I always make videos like this like every couple of months. I made videos on like jobs and job postings and what they're asking for. All right, so let me share my screen and go over some jobs with you real quick. This video shouldn't be that long. All right, cool. So we're just gonna put help desk, and we're just gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it like this. We're not gonna put New York because I'm from New York, obviously, but we're gonna put New York. And I just want to look at jobs, and we're gonna look at jobs that are like entry level. I don't want to go over jobs that are freaking like like 7 years of experience. Doesn't make any sense. All right, let's see here. 26.30 an hour. 3 years experience. All right, let's look at a different job. It's Cleveland, Ohio. 30 to 40,000. It's not bad. 2 years of experience. Let's look at a different job. BA. Set up new employees, user accounts. Yep, that's no normal. Remove disabled accounts from parting employees. Configure, deploy, install new computers. Yep. Service first level support. Yep. Coordinate with third-party IT providers. Understanding operating systems and Microsoft 365. Basic knowledge of computer hardware peripherals. You have a valid driver license. That's it. Yeah, that's not bad. You could anyone that lives in VA could definitely do this job. Let's look at another job. This is IT support specialist. End user support, troubleshooting hardware and software, deploying workstations, like deploying, setting up new hires, password reset, MFA, multi-factor authentication, Microsoft 365, Outlook Teams OneDrive, device support, Intune provisioning. So for Intune, all you care about for Intune, I have my screen shared right here. So all you care about, I have an account for Intune, so let me just log in real quick. All you care about is managing the licenses. So you want to make sure that your user has a license. Like this guy, I enrolled him and he does have a license. He's able to log into his device through auto deploy with Intune. And his device is like right here. So right here. And it's compliant. So all you care about is making sure they have a license. I can figure everything on the back end. So like if we go to Windows, we go to enrollment, we go to auto enrollment, all this stuff is enabled. Um, we go back to enrollment. I did set up Windows Hello for Business. I think it's not on right now. It's off. Yeah, turn that off. And then I did device policies as well, which is right here. Oh, sorry, not this one. Sorry. Device deployment profile. Was it that? Yeah, there we go. So Windows 11, it has to be intro join. Um, and I set it up that way. I set up a user driven intro ID join. Standard type for user account. So all this stuff is not done by it's done by the sysadmin or someone that's like a higher level. They will be setting all this up, but this is already set up. And then I set up apps like the app just automatically installs on the Windows device, Adobe Acrobat and Action One. So this app I actually configured so you can set up. And you have the option here, like if you want to add, I believe it's line of business app. Yeah, so this is what I did. I did this one for Action One. See, Action One's right here, the Windows MSI line of business. So like if you want to deploy an MSI file, you select the package right here. Like this is Zoom, for example. and I could set up Zoom and install it, and then when they join their device, Zoom gets installed automatically. But the point of this video is just show you that this stuff here is not complicated. It's super easy. All right, so printer install, basic networking, troubleshooting. All right, anyone that has A plus and has this intro ID. I went over intro ID in the other video. So basically, um, you have your users, you create your users. I'm not sure why it looks like that. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you have your users. So you could basically reset the password, revoke the session, delete the account. You could change the properties of the user here, their employee ID, etc., etc. That's what you care about with intro ID. I'm not really like I already think you already know like crazy advanced stuff, just like the basics. So Active Directory, you know how to do that. You guys can get Active Directory experience. So anyway, we'll go to the next job. Help desk technician. Same thing, providing support for Office 365, Outlook Teams. And obviously with Outlook, like I always say, like you gotta know how to open it up in safe mode. So, Outlook.exe, just know how to open up Outlook and you'll be fine. And that's it. So it's not complicated. Sorry, let me just remove this. So it's not complicated. You just gotta know how to troubleshoot the add-ons, right? That's it. It's not complicated. So open up in safe mode. Assist users, Windows 11, VPN. I have a video on VPN, moving, setting up moves, new hires, onboarding, equipment, laptops. So there, this is not hard. If you have no experience, you could definitely apply for this job. Even though it says 1 to 3 years of experience, you definitely do this job. It's not hard. It's super simple. All right, we'll go to another one. Level 1. Schedule work on PCs, monitoring computers, networks, set up configuration, tear down AV system, AV equipment. Must be 18 years or older. Okay, that's fine. It's not hard. We're gonna go to a different job. Let's see here. Choose I got to college for PA. Okay, learn about local area networks, virtual private networks, VPN, firewall switches, ServiceNow, Jira. ServiceNow, you get it for free. So do ServiceNow, free. You can get a free account. I know they have a free account for ServiceNow. Same with Jira. I know Jira is free, so do Jira free trial. Sorry, free trial. It's right there. So this is free. That's definitely free. You get access to that. So you definitely could do this job too. We'll do one more. So I don't want to make this video too long. Let's see here. Is it Texas? Yeah, it's Texas. Let's see. Assisting partners experience technical problems, hardware, software problems, blah, blah, blah. Let's go to a different job. Atlanta. Yeah, this is Atlanta. Let's see here. This is definitely level 1. This is asking for LAN WAN fundamentals, telecom basics, ticketing system experience, remote troubleshooting, desktop application support. If you want to know how to remote into someone's machine and troubleshoot it, This says here remote troubleshooting. I believe Spiceworks is free. Yeah, Spiceworks is free. So you might want to look at Spiceworks as a ticketing system, but also has a remote capability and it's free. I know it has a remote tool on it and it's absolutely I'm gonna pay anything. All right, so let's just get one more. Oh, Ninja One is higher. Look at that. Interesting. All right, so it's asking for A plus. It's asking for 1 to 3 years of experience. It's asking for knowledge of Windows and OS. Again, ticketing system, ServiceNow, Jira means Jira, Fresh Service, Zendesk. Actually, ServiceNow is like right there. So yeah, you should know about that. Ninja One that has its own remote tool. So does TeamViewer. So you can remote into machines. It does have a capability. I would apply to this job if I live in Texas, but I don't live in Texas. We'll do one more because I feel like that was like pretty relatively quick. Another one in Texas. All right. See what we have here. Oh my goodness. BlackBerry devices. My goodness. They're still using BlackBerry devices? Oh my goodness. Juniper virtual networks. All right, that's fine. All right, we're gonna go to a different one. BlackBerry. Yeah, I see someone with a BlackBerry device. I'm like, oh my goodness. It's ancient. All right, this is definitely gonna do this job. All right, let's see what we have here. So we have analyze, identify LAN PC problems to determine software, hardware, peripherals, blah blah blah. Regular basis install new hardware, software. Yep, this is. I know. It says the experience is like 3 years, but you could anyone that has 1 year of experience could definitely do this job. Um, Not even less than a year. Windows, understanding Windows OS, Mac. Yep, network concepts, hardware. Yeah, definitely do this job. It's not hard. Yeah, so it's not hard. You guys could do this job. It's not super complicated. What else do we have here? Let's see. Let's see. There's another one that anyone could do this job. Like this one has Active Directory, 2 years of experience. Knowing how to use Chrome browser. Come on now. Active Directory, Exchange, Outlook, VoIP phones. Come on now. This is not hard. It's pretty easy. It's just 2 years, but I think if you have 1 year of experience, you could definitely apply to this job. Yeah, I'll stop sharing. Yeah, stop sharing. Yeah, that's what I said. Like, it's not hard. Like, it's not complicated. Some of these jobs ask for certain things, but it's not hard. Like, I always like to go over job postings because, the job market is always changing. So it's good to know about the job market. It's also good to know about the jobs that people are applying for and then what the employers are asking for. So that's why I like to go over the job posting. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye.